Hi, today I'm going to teach you how an affiliate can log into their affiliate section and take advantage of various settings and options. In one of our earlier videos, I have shown you how you can go to the affiliate program configuration settings and then use the code, basically the short code available to insert it into any Shopify page and create your affiliate section. Now, when your affiliate section is created, the affiliate can actually go click on the affiliate link, or you can provide them a secret link. That's your choice. In the test site that we have, I have the affiliate option clicked on the navigation menu. So affiliate can click on the link. It'll ask you to log in. Once logged in, you can then see what all affiliate programs these are. These are the affiliate programs and rules that we have created in an earlier video. The affiliate can check their balance, how much balance they have, and how much they have been paid, how much is available, how much is on hold, and lifetime data. Promo data, so basically shows them their affiliate links and code, and they can of course update their code if they would like to. They can choose a banner. So we have other videos and of course knowledge bases on how you can create an affiliate banner. You can choose a withdrawal option. Under the withdrawal section, shows you your balance available and the minimum payout. The minimum available balance request for withdrawal is $25, so clearly tells the affiliate that you have to have a minimum of $25 to take a minimum of 10. You have discount offers, so you can create discount offers from the admin, of course. And then you have affiliate settings, which allow you to enter your PayPal ID. So the affiliate, like we have shown you in earlier videos, you need to have an affiliate. Every affiliate that registers on your site and is a part of your affiliate program needs to have their own PayPal ID. So they can enter it here and click on save. Other than that, you can create, the admin can create multiple affiliate programs. And one thing that I'd like to show you is under withdrawals is where the affiliate can request a withdrawal. Once the affiliate requests for an withdrawal, you can go to AiTrillion. The admin, of course, will go to AiTrillion and will see the withdrawal under the Manage Withdrawal section and has the option to accept or cancel or reject the withdrawal. A complete a complete record of all the transactions from the affiliate is available in the Manage Transactions section. However, all of the AiTrillion options, please remember, will be accessible and available only and only to the shop owner. The affiliate will only see what options have been made available to them in the affiliate section on your website. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.